Welcome to CertExam's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about subnetting. The process of subdividing networks into smaller subnets is termed as subnetting. Consider an example. Given an IP address of 156.223.42.56 with 7 bits for subnetting. Now the task is to find out the possible hosts and subnets. Step 1. Class B network has the form n.n.h.h, and the default subnet mask is 16 bits long. Step 2. There are an additional 7 bits to the default subnet mask. Therefore, the total number of bits in the subnet mask are 16 plus 7, which is 23. Step 3. This leaves us with 32 minus 23, which is 9 bits, for assigning to hosts. Step 4. 7-bit subnet bits correspond to 2 exponential 7, which is 128 subnets. Step 5. 9 bits belonging to host addresses correspond to 2 exponential 9 minus 2, which is equal to 512 minus 2, which gives us 510 hosts. Note that all zeros and all ones host addresses cannot be used. All zeros host correspond to this network, and all ones correspond to broadcast address all hosts. In other words, the network address is the address in which all binary bits in the host portion of the IP address are set to 0. Network address is used to specify a network, so it cannot be assigned to any individual host. So in total, 510 hosts and 128 subnets are possible. Thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on our channel.